In this how-to video, I am going to show you how to use the mint large decoupage papers on this hall table here. So to start with, I am going to do the top and the paper and then paint the rest of it. And we're going to use Moody Florals II, a lovely bright floral decoupage paper. So we are using the A1 size, and it actually would normally go vertically, but we are going to have a play with it and have it laying in landscape across the top here. So the first step when doing the decoupage is to paint this base here in white or a pale colour, a pale grey, lemon yellow, anything light will work, but I've got lots of white open, and this will help the colours from the decoupage paper pop. If I did it straight over this dark surface here, it would look a lot darker and muddy, so we want the colours to really pop, especially as this is a really bright and vibrant piece. So I will start with the painting and show you when that is done, and then we will move on to doing the decoupage. So I have painted the top of my table here white now, and I'm ready to start the decoupage. So I have everything I need. I have my matte lacquer, which I will be using as my glue medium. I have a flat brush that I always use with the lacquer, which is what I'll be using to apply the glue. I have some Glad wrap and the brayer to help smooth out any bubbles. And then I have my paper. So I've got it in A1 size. It will hang off and I'll show you what we do once it's been applied to take the excess off. So as you can see, it is the large A1. It's much bigger than the top of my table, so I have decided I want to focus on this top end here, and ultimately parts of this will come off, and we will show you that process now. So this has now been glued on, and as you can see, I've got quite a big overhang. So I am going to sand this off using a medium to fine grit sandpaper, and that way I'll get nice clean edges, and then I'll go over again with my lacquer as the glue medium, just to seal it all down fully and protect the paper before I go and start painting. So I'll do this and then I'll show you what it looks like. So this has now been finished. It has been painted in Alexis, a wonderful pale pink, and then it has been really lightly aged with some dark wax just in the edges, and the rest has been clear waxed, and then a little bit of Vienna Champagne Glide here on the handle and around the edge where the paint joins with the mint decoupage paper. So I will take a full video so you can see it fully finished, but this is the finished look. So really soft and pretty with the Moody Florals. We knocked the Moody Florals back a bit with a little bit of dry brushing of the Alexis and some dark wax, so it has this wonderfully aged and romantic feel. I hope you enjoyed this video. It will go up on our blog and our how-to videos, along with a lot of other training information. And if you ever have any questions, please get in contact. Thank you.